In this video, we'll be covering the quotient rule. And the quotient rule is similar to the product rule in that it is not quite as straightforward as the sum and the difference rule, which requires you just to take the derivative of each of those functions and then add them together or subtract them depending on if it's a sum or a difference. In the quotient rule, we have the derivative of the quotient of two functions, both of which are differentiable. And what it tells us to do is we take the bottom function times the derivative of the top function minus the top function times the derivative of the bottom function, and we put that all over the bottom function squared. Okay, so it looks a little complex, so let's do a quick example. If we want to take the derivative of 3x minus 4 all over x squared plus 2x plus 1, let's say. What we're going to get is, remember, the numerator is the f of x and the denominator is g of x. So the g of x function is x squared plus 2x plus 1 times the derivative of the top function. And the derivative of the top function is just going to be 3 minus the top function, which is 3x minus 4, times the derivative of the bottom function. And the derivative of the bottom function is just 2x plus 2. And that's all over the bottom function squared. And there is no need to multiply that out or to simplify unless you're asked to do so. Again, just to recap, when you're taking the derivative of the quotient of two functions, it's just the bottom function times the derivative of the top function minus the top function times the derivative of the bottom function, and that's all over the bottom function squared.